Good morning, everyone. It is 7:04 on July 5th. It is a Thursday. We are on shore here at Costa Maya. We have the excursion of the beach break today. I did not vlog last night because I was extremely tired. I didn't bring my camera to...
Let's get Joe to give a hug.
Let's see. We went to Club Sky. I left at like 12:50. Wait, just kidding. 11:50, not 12:50. I wish, but no.
Oh, I like that.
Let's see. I tried to find people, but then they left. It's fine. It's fine. Dad went to the room. I don't know what time. I kind of stayed out. I just sat on deck 15, I think. 15 or 14, one of them. I think it was deck 15. I just kind of sat out there until like 1 a.m. and then I went to the room. You know, it's bad. We woke up early today so we can go to our excursion. Yeah, it is windy today. Ooh, hello. Okay. Yeah, we're here. And we have our stickers on so we can figure out where we're going. Okay, so I don't know what time we got here, but I fell asleep. Dad was snorkeling. Otto went in for a little bit. Then we sat down, and then we got stuck in the rain. Yay! It was really bad. Yeah, it's slowing down, but it was. Yeah, honestly, I really don't.
I just want to go back to the ship,
shower, sleep.
We can go solarium.
Solarium, my place.
Look at the hot tub there. Let's go there.
Yeah, so we can go there, and also I want to eat lunch. I don't want to spend money here, so no offense. But yeah, it was raining quite a bit. We got stuck. I got cold, but I'm better now. But yeah, well, hopefully we can go back soon. We get a free cab ride back, so happy me. Okay, so we will possibly see you back at the ship. Dining room, and we're checking in for dinner, but there's already a very long line. It is 6:52.
It's evening chic, aka the best night.
We're ready. We got down here, and then we saw Jimmy walk away, and we started to get sad. So we decided to check in first, and then see if there's a wait, and then we will possibly go to the martini bar. Hopefully Jimmy will be back by then. I'm excited for tonight's dinner. I don't know what's on the menu, and I don't want to look at it yet because I want to be surprised.
I was gonna look.
Okay, she's gonna go look. She's gonna check the menu, but I want to be surprised. We're a bit dizzy. It's really rocking. It's really rocking. Like the doors right here are swinging. Like that's how crazy it is right now. I am. Yay. I'm already happy and I don't even know.
I only looked at one on her and I was so.
We're going to a show today at 9 o'clock. It's called Life.
Is it?
Yes, it's called Life. There was
Who's
nothing.
Adele's even gonna be today?
I don't know.
Fragile Leaf, Plastic Bag. You never know.
Arthur was saying that you have to be adult, so like
There was
18 and
one
older.
show that
But
said
I'm
you
like,
had to be in a condition to see.
do you remember what it was
I
called?
don't know, and so far nothing.
I mean, Life didn't say anything. I mean,
we'll find out. I'm
we'll
not.
find out. But yeah. I don't know. Okay, so we'll see you.
Yeah.
We'll see you at the table, or maybe the martini bar. Depends. Whatever comes first. Yeah, so we're watching a show called Life. And I'm excited for it. So that's the stage right there. We're sitting in the middle this time, so I'm really excited. Bo is still rocking quite a bit, but I changed, and I changed my shoes. My feet started getting too hurt. She changed her shoes also. Hi everybody.
I'm excited for this one. I feel like they've progressively gotten better.
Yes, definitely. Definitely. From top to bottom. Yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait to see what happens.